Okay, so I've found probably one of the best tricks for noise cancellation in OBS Studio. Um, I probably should have just started off with typing in noise cancellation OBS Studio, but I did not do that. And I did a bunch of different searches and couldn't find the actual results. But after playing around in OBS Studio, I found literally the perfect noise cancellation filter. I'm going to show you how to add it, where it is, and it'll just help tremendously, especially if you don't have like one of these like little pop filters on your mic, or if you don't have one of the extravagant China wall towers coming up off of the back of your mic. This could really help eliminate the sounds around you, and just really focus like when you're speaking into the mic. Really picking up on just what it is that you're saying rather than the noises around you. So, enough said. Let's go ahead. Let's jump into it. Okay, so I'm here in my OBS studio. We have our little inception thing kind of going on here. So I actually initially tried to go through the settings down here, and then I went into audio, but I could not find anything that had noise cancellation in it. So I don't know, like maybe I missed it. I tried to look up on other people's YouTubes, but I couldn't find the exact answer that I was looking for. But what I also noticed was over here, you can click on these three little dots here, and then you can click on filter, and there it is, noise suppression, right? Now it's not originally on there, so you have to go down to this little plus arrow here, and then it's right here, noise suppression. There's a couple of other cool filters in here that I've tried, just for like, just for the heck of it. But yes, you click on that, you'll press close, and then there were a couple of times where I would like go back to my videos and noise suppression like wasn't on. Um, and so what I would recommend that you do, right, is I would recommend that you click on these three little dots here and then lock your volume, because that seemed to like have a little trick for me that every time I came back to do a recording, then the noise suppression was still on. So I don't know, short little video for you if you were having problems with your mic in OBS Studio. And you know the deal. Subscribe, don't subscribe, like, don't like. I don't care. I kind of care just a little bit. No, but in all realities, if you want to know why, just go watch my intro video. It'll kind of explain it all. And the real premise of me making these videos is if I could just help one person, then my job is done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it kind of clears up your surrounding noise and that your mic is picking up on. And I'll catch you later, YouTube.